And to be eligible for TikTok Creators Funds, you have to be based on any of these countries. You have to be based on the United States, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. Now, this was out of March 2023. Now, if you are not in any of these countries I listed earlier, then you are not eligible to get paid from TikTok. But in this video, I'll be walking you through step by step how to get paid from TikTok Creativity Program, even if you are not from any of these countries I mentioned earlier. And also, I'll be showing you how you can create an international TikTok account. And this does not matter if you are from any of these countries I mentioned earlier, or you are from a country like Nigeria, Pakistan, and other countries that are not eligible to get paid from TikTok. Because this video, I'm going to be cracking the code and showing you a strategy on how you can create an international TikTok account, and also how you can get paid from TikTok from their creativity program. And by the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can stay safe, be giving you some powerful tips, do's and don'ts, and how you can stay safe not to get your account demonetized. Now, with this said, I'll take you to my screen right now, showing you step by step how you can create an international TikTok account and also how you can get paid from TikTok. So let's jump right into my screen.
And the first thing to do is to come to your Play Store or App Store. You are going to download this VPN called Thunder VPN, right? So this is the VPN you're going to download right now. So once you download this VPN, you're going to open this VPN right now. So we are going to accept the terms, right? Then we'll wait for it to load up. Then once the test connection speed is completed, we just go ahead and cancel these payments to upgrade the option. Then we come here to connect, right? So once you come here, you come and click on this very icon at the top right corner, right? This country icon. We click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to show us the different countries we can connect to, right? What we are going to do is to connect to one of these countries. We just connect to United Kingdom, right? Then we click on OK. Then it's going to connect right now, right? So we are going to confirm if this VPN is really working. So we come over to our Chrome. I'm going to just search for what is my location. So I'm going to search for it. As you can see right now, my location is at England, right? Now this is telling me that I am at England right now. So you can see right here, my location right now is at England, right? So which is United Kingdom, right? England is the same as UK. So our VPN is telling us we are in UK, and our location is telling us we are in UK. And the next thing you want to do is to open a different tab, and you're going to type in TikTok right here on this very tab. Just type TikTok, right? We're going to load it up, and we're going to click on the first link we are going to be seeing on this very page, which is this one right here. We'll click on it, and it's going to load us to a TikTok page, right? So just follow this video carefully and make sure you follow all my steps. And don't miss any step, right? Don't miss any step. Follow everything I'll be teaching this video step by step so you don't miss it, right? So they are going to tell us to open the TikTok on app. Let's accept the terms and conditions. They are going to ask you to open this TikTok on your application, which is your app. I believe everybody has TikTok app on their phone. We are going to click on not now, which is ignore. So as you can see, this is a TikTok recommendation, and it's recommending it from British, telling you that TikTok already know I'm already in England, right? So what we are going to do next is to come over to that profile icon right here. Once you click on there, it's going to show us this very page. What you are going to do is to sign up an account. Now, this does not mean if you have an account before on TikTok or this is your first account on TikTok, you are going to create a new account. So the next thing to do is to sign up a fresh account with them. Click on sign up. You're going to click on use phone or email. Right, if you click on use phone or email, it's going to load up, and it's going to ask you your date of birth. So you're going to just choose a random date, right? You just choose a random date on. Let me just put in a random date, right? Let's choose a random date. Okay. Click on next. They're going to ask you to sign up with your phone number, or which we are going to ignore. We're going to use Gmail address, right? So you're going to input your Gmail address right here. We're going to input our Gmail address. Then you're going to click on get content, newsletter, promotions, recommendations, and account updates sent to this mail. Click on next. So the next thing they are going to ask us is to create a password, right? You want to create a password that must have 8 to 20 characters, letters, that has letters, numbers, and special characters. So I'm going to go ahead right now and create that password, then I'll come here. So I just finished creating my password. I'll click on sign up. Right, I've already sent a 6-digit code from our Gmail address. So you are going to head over to your Gmail address you used to register this account, and get this code from it. Now this is the code. As you can see, verification code. To verify your account, enter this code. So we're going to copy this code right here. Copy it. We come back to TikTok here, right? We come back to TikTok and we're going to paste the code right here. They're going to ask us to create a username. We're going to choose something like Evans Peters 1, right? I believe this username is okay. Evans/Peter1, sign up, right? As you can see, login success, right? As you can see right here, we already created our account right here. Now this is our account and this is the dashboard right now. Evans Peters 1. I have 0 followers, 0 following and 0 likes, no video yet. And the next thing you want to do is to update your account. So you want to go back to your TikTok app right now, then log in this account. So that's the next thing you are going to do. So we're going to head over to our TikTok account right now. Then we're going to log in this account. So we head back to our TikTok app right here. So what we're going to do next is to log in this our new account. So once we are here, click on our profile. Right here, this is our main account. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to click on this very top button right here, this top button. I'm going to click on add account. Then they are going to ask us to sign up an account. I'm going to click on login. Then we choose on email, phone number. Then we're going to click on email and username. Then we are going to cancel this. So we're going to go ahead and type in our Gmail right here. So if you are getting value from this video so far, please do well to smash the like button. It helps me a lot. And if you have not joined the family, subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. So once we have put in the Gmail address, click on continue. Then they are going to ask us to check our email for a verification password. This is the verification code right here. We're going to copy it right here. Then we're going to go ahead and log in with this very code. So it's going to load up and so right now, here's our account right now. So what we're going to do right now is to just update a profile picture. So guys, make sure you are following every instructions I'm passing this video. Is very important because these instructions is what will aid you to have a verified TikTok account that can make money online right now, right? This is a very straightforward and a legit method. We go ahead and set up our profile, add a photo, right? We select from gallery. So we're going to just put this as the profile picture. Just select it and save and post. Okay, we're going to use this as a profile picture. Just save and post. Then after updating your profile picture, you can choose to add a bio by telling your audience a little about what you do with this account, right? Is it about mindset fitness? Is it about mindset fitness or business tips? You understand? So just go ahead and put in a short introduction of what this account will be all about. You click on save. This is just to make the account as live, right? Now what we're going to do right now is to check if this account is an international account. Now we come to this burger account right now. Click on creator tools. You're going to see that this is going to load up, right? This is my analytics. As you can see, if you check this monetization funds right here, you'll be seeing that if you check this monetization fund right here, you'll be seeing that the creators reward program is unlocked, right? And my estimated revenue for the last 7 days is $0, right? That means I can earn through my views. So as my views is accumulating, my earn will be accumulating, right? As you can see, they have the red tick at the top of it right now, which is new, right? And it's only limited to these countries I mentioned, right? Now with this right now, you have an international TikTok account that can earn money in dollars, and you already have access to make money from TikTok with this. Now if you head over to our normal account, let's just head over to our normal account. So let's come over to settings and privacy. Now if you come over to switch account right here, right, let's head over to our former account, which is Bizbit to normal. So if you go back to my main account right now, you are going to see that come over to the creators tool right here. You're going to see that the creators reward monetization is not here, as you can see right here. But if we try to come over and log in into my international account, then we come back to the creators tool. you are going to see that the creators reward program is right here, right? So guys, this is how you can create an international TikTok account that can make money from TikTok through their creativities program, right? Guys, I believe this video was valuable to you. No doubt this video was so valuable to you. Please like this video, and you can share this to your friends and family, because every other people are looking for ways to start making money from TikTok. This can be a perfect video for them. Help them by sharing this video to them, and also subscribe to this community and family, because more amazing content are coming your way very soon. So guys, this is how you can make money from TikTok, and this is how you can create a TikTok international account. If you have any question, you have any suggestion, you have any challenges, make sure you let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to you very soon. So don't skip this video, don't end this video right now, because I'm going to be telling you right now how you can stay safe on TikTok, and how you can make money, and how you can keep this money. Your account will not be banned or terminated, right? So stay close right now as I tell you how you can stay safe on TikTok through their monetization program.
Now, with this simple strategy, you can easily create an international TikTok account. So I believe you got value from this video. Now, these are some tips to stay safe on TikTok, not to get your account demonetized. Now, the number one thing you want to do is that you want to be on the safer side on TikTok. You don't want to call yourself out, or you don't want to get your account demonetized, right? Nobody wants to create content, and by the end of the day, you can't get your money into your bank account. So the tips I'm going to be giving you right now is going to keep your account safe, not to be demonetized. Now, number one thing you must not do is that you must not post other people's content, right? I know you can do this on your normal account, right? But in this account, you can't do this. Why? Because I don't believe you can monetize other people's content on your TikTok, right? If you do this, this might get your account demonetized, right? You want to create your own content, and you want to be original. Now, number two thing you must not do is that you must not post content from your other accounts, right? Now, you don't want to go ahead and start reposting your former content on your old account. I won't advise this, right? Because this might get your account implicated and get demonetized, right? You want to stick with fresh and new content. Now, number three is that you must not switch to business account, right? You must remain on this account. Don't switch to business account, so you can be on the safer side, right? Now, with this, you are already safe, and you can start making money from TikTok, right? So you have to be consistent, and you have to be original, right? You will get to that 10,000 threshold. So once you get to 10K followers, you'll be eligible to apply for the TikTok creativity funds, and you'll be getting paid for your views and for posting on TikTok, right? Now, I believe this content was valuable to you. Now, with this strategy right now, you want to make sure you stay safe on TikTok. And anytime you want to post on TikTok, anytime you want to come live on TikTok, you want to make sure your VPN is on, so that you won't get yourself implicated, right? This is a very simple method to do, and a very simple step to do. Right now, with this, you can start making money from TikTok, and you can have an international TikTok account, and you can start cashing out on TikTok. Guys, I believe you got value from this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to this very channel, because there are loads of valuable content coming your way very soon. So make sure you stay subscribed, so that you will never miss out from my amazing content every single week. And make sure you like this video by telling YouTube that this video is a good video. Like this video so that this video can get to other TikTok creators, right? So you can also share this video to your friends, family. They will appreciate you for that. With that said, I know you got value from this video. You can check out my other videos right here, show you right here. With that said, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.